Good morning, everybody. This is Dr. Todd Lloyd with Chiropractic Crack and Coffee. And it's in the morning. It's Sunday, August 2nd, 2020. And today we are going to review this video where Lord Admiral gets a chiropractor. I have no idea how this video is going to go. I've never seen anybody adjust a horse before. So, as always, this video is intended for educational purposes only. I am here to critique and hopefully learn from some of these videos that I watch from the standpoint of an experienced chiropractor. I work in San Francisco at Rincon Chiropractic. I have 18 years of experience treating patients. I feel like I do a good job, but there's always more to learn. Now, I'm not going to go out there and start adjusting horses right away, but I'm really curious to see how this goes. What is it like to adjust a horse? I know how to adjust a human. I have some idea of maybe how to adjust a dog, but a large animal like a horse, I can't even imagine. So we're going to find out. I like how this guy so far has what looks to be a COVID-19 shelter-in-place haircut like mine. So he, just like me, he covers it up with a hat. Anyway, let's see how this is going to go.
Oh, Lad's gonna love this. No.
Yeah, he's wearing gloves. That's pretty cool.
He won his one and only race at Del Mar.
Ah, very good.
Uh-huh.
Jeff Schaefer, DC. Who is
He loves attention.
this person doing the videos, though? Let's see here. This video is brought to you by JC Neff. So I guess this person likes horse racing.
Did you like that, Lad?
Oh, let's go back.
He's used to the Masterson method from me, although I haven't.
Wow.
Good.
Indy says, me next.
Yeah, me next. He's like, you work on dogs too, right?
All right, what's he gonna do here? I lay him on his side and do a side posture.
All right, let's just go your hip here.
How long is this video? 8 minutes.
Mm-hmm. I know he needs it.
He's checking. He's palpating the glutes.
How old is he?
He'll be 5 in
I
January.
guess he's palpating the ribs and seeing how the
Maybe
ribs
he'll
are
be
moving.
6.
I would have no idea where to start with this.
Will he be 6?
He'll be 6.
He'll be 6. I can't believe it.
Yeah, he's 5.
We got him when he was a year.
Checking rib range of
A
motion,
mile
I
on the
guess.
turf.
Okay. All right.
What's he gonna do now? He's gonna lift up a hoof.
But he had a bit of an intestinal problem, and he never quite felt
Hip
better
abduction?
about that.
That's his SI joint right there. Boy. Whew.
He's going to go to the show in December too.
Wow, that was pretty loud pop. Wait,
Yeah.
What was that?
Yeah.
What was
And
that?
I wish.
That was my stick. That was a stick. It wasn't a carrot. It was a stick.
He's very smart, too. He's very conscious.
I'd like to have someone provide commentary on this, on what exactly he's doing, because right
So I
now
don't
I'm way
care
out
as
of my
long as you
element.
tell me. Right, lad?
It's a reflex
Yeah.
valve. That's what your reflexes.
Checking
Oh, he
reflexes.
likes
I don't
this
know what that
so
reflex is called.
much.
Is he palpating the nuchal ligament, the nuchal ridge?
Yeah, that feels pretty good. I know. I wish I had one so let me shake mine around.
Yeah.
Might look funny out of the shirt, but
Circumducting the front limb.
I can't believe he's going to be 6. I want him to stay 5.
Stretching out the front limb.
good stretch.
Yeah.
I guess that's a pretty good way to check range of motion on an animal that has gait on all 4 limbs.
Ooh, nice. That was good. That was good. Third little release, huh? Yeah.
I wonder if that's part of the adjustment and I missed it.
Might be sore right in here.
Found a stuck
Good
rib,
boy.
and the horse is
That's
reacting
it.
to it.
A lick and a chew. And a snort. Oh, yes.
Weird camera person
Yeah.
commentary.
Little item,
Did he adjust the rib? I can't tell if he adjusted the rib or not. Circumducting the front limb.
A little more flexible on that shoulder.
Stretching it.
What is that? Is that in here? What's it doing up there? Good boy. That's good, huh? The shoulder's pretty loose. This is really nice and loose.
He's gonna check the neck now.
Good.
Wow. Look at you, lad. Look at you. Hello.
There you go. Shake it off. A little lick and chew. We got a little lick and chew too.
Uh-huh.
Shake. We're doing the other side though.
Was that the adjustment?
Yeah.
I gotta go back a little bit.
Ah.
You too.
Look at you.
Good. Good.
Wow. Look at you, lad.
I wonder what these does just occiput? Grabs onto the head.
Good.
Wow.
Alright, let's go back here.
Yeah. See how far over you can go on this side, laddie boy. You go all the way over?
Oh,
Good boy.
what was that?
Good boy. Good boy.
Oh, there you go, bud.
Now there's a lick and a chew for you.
Yeah, I know.
Wow.
I know the fog went away, didn't it? No more fog.
What exactly is he adjusting there? The occiput?
He's chill now. Yeah. I'm gonna do that back move one more time, and then he'll be done. Open your back up a little bit more. That's just distraction. There it goes. That was the last little bit. I know. I know it's a
Oh,
reflex.
yeah.
I know it's just a reflex. It opens that whole back up.
Is that reflex designed to adjust the horse?
You're all done. You're all done, bud.
Well, I'm not going to be adjusting horses anytime soon. That's kind of interesting. Let's do one more. All right, guys, welcome back. We're going to do an actual human adjustment. This is from Mobility for Life Chiropractic and Sports Medicine. Volleyball player gets a chiropractic adjustment, loud crack for back pain and headaches. Clickbait headline, SEO headline. Going to get people in there who are searching for loud cracks, putting in a little bit of chiropractic, putting in some back pain and headaches, putting in a little bit of that legitimate condition-based stuff, but mostly the key word here is loud crack. We're going to see how loud crack this, what a loud crack this is. This video is 23 minutes long. We're not going to go through the whole video. This is Dr. Scott Hoare. Let's find out who he is. He does Treatment Tuesday. Dr. Scott Hoare releases a new chiropractic adjustment loud crack episodes every Treatment Tuesday. Please subscribe. So we're going to link to this in my show notes. But again, this is educational purposes only. We're going to review this for the purposes of providing critique and to learn from this. Let's see what Dr. Scott Hoare is going to do.
Tuesday, we're going to be with Amanda Medlock. Amanda is a former volleyball
She's a fitness
player,
pro.
and she is a fitness professional.
I like how he is giving background on the patient.
What are you dealing with?
I'm primarily dealing with some low back pain.
All right, let's get to it.
She got low back pain.
Okay. Okay, so we did a full medical history and an examination
Good.
on Amanda, and now we're going to jump in and see what's going on with her low back. She also mentioned she's having neck stiffness and some headaches, as well as some knee stuff. So we'll be looking at a lot of stuff, keeping in mind the lower back is the primary concern today. Okay, so grabbing here, straighten and back as far as
Hey, it's just
you
like
can.
that guy
And
adjusting the
back to starting
horse.
position. We'll do that 3, 4, maybe even 5 times.
So he's gonna grab onto.
Ready, go. There are particular
Oh, he's doing the
movements or
piriformis
exercises
release.
that are really
Look, I don't
bothersome.
need to critique this video. He's already
I
doing
would
it
say
for
it's
me.
picking stuff up constantly and having to bend over or like get down and like help a client or help an athlete with an exercise.
Okay,
And then having to get back up again kind of starts to bother me a little bit.
got it. During your own training, does it impact it at all?
Yeah. I would say if I
Oh,
go
he's wearing
light on
gloves
deadlifts
too.
or
What's with
light
the
on squats,
gloves?
it doesn't bother me so much. But days when I go a little bit heavier, definitely the next day, like I'll wake up and I'm kind of like, it's not feeling so well.
What's he got here? He's got a Zoom microphone, a big one. That's why he's got no face paper, because the microphone is trying to pick up the loud cracking sounds, and if there's a face paper there, it's gonna crinkle.
Tight. So
Okay.
this little like stint recently where it was days where I was lifting heavy and the next day I would coach and it got so bad to where I would
All right, let's
literally,
move on. Let's move on
not
to the
even wanna
neck
move.
adjustment, unless he's gonna do more myofascial
Issues.
release.
All right, so I'll move stuff around and I'll be feeling for tightness in your neck.
Sounds good.
All right, that's more myofascial release.
That's a little tight.
I guess he's gonna pin and stretch it. Oh man, he's got an ad coming up.
Pizza or salad? Which one do you think I'm having for dinner tonight? Well,
All right, I'm gonna move forward into adjustments. Let's see what we got here.
And again.
He's got a microphone.
Not so good, huh? All right. So the nerves that control those thumb and pinky muscles, they come out of your neck right around here. So I'm going to adjust on there.
All right, let's watch it.
Yeah, let that go. Good. Thumb and pinky, pulling apart. Ready? Much stronger. Cool.
Crazy.
Yeah.
Retesting it.
Okay, your elbow in at your side. What I'm going to do is a muscle test where I pull it out like that. Don't let me do that. Ready, go. And again. One more time. It's not so good. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to put your right ear on your ear. Right palm on your ear.
That's pretty
I'm going
funny.
to stick my thumb right in your armpit. I'm going to wrap my hand around your shoulder blade. All right. Take a deep breath. Breathe in and out.
Nice.
Good. Do you like that one? Did it
It's good old-fashioned rib
stay?
adjustment
Yeah.
with the shoulder.
Okay, I'm gonna pull out like that. Don't let me. Ready? Go. Much stronger, huh?
Improved ribcage function. Nice. I'm gonna start doing that more often.
Now, good. Make fist. Pushing down. Don't let me. Go.
Coracobrachialis.
Again.
That's kind of weak.
I don't know. It was kind of strong. It was
One more time.
kind of weak, wasn't it? Pushing down. Don't let me. Ready? Go. Am I surprising you?
No.
Like the speed of it?
No, I just feel
Pushing down. Ready? Go. One more time.
He can improve that.
No, I don't like it.
That's C6. I wonder if he's gonna adjust C6 to improve
A
that.
little adjustment right over here. So that's your coracobrachialis muscle, which supports your shoulder. Make a fist.
Can't always get those
Pushing
big
down.
cracks. Still weak.
That was stronger.
I think it was a little stronger.
All right.
All right, gonna go to the AC joint.
What I'm going to do now, that same muscle, because we're not sure, it attaches right up there at the AC joint. So I'm going to give you a little adjustment there. Good. Fist, pushing down. And whatever. It's definitely stronger than that, right?
Strong.
Okay, thumb and pinky, pulling apart. Don't let me. Not good.
Nerve root dysfunction, though, I think it might be
Lower back area
reflexive,
certainly seems to
where
be.
It could be anything coming
bit
from the
of an
neck,
issue.
causing that.
Good.
How
Thumb
reliable
pinky.
is this?
Ready? And again. No, not so much. Okay. So now I'm going to look at your thumb and wrist bones a little bit. Good.
He's got an
Thumb
interesting
pinky. Pull it
formula.
apart. Much better, huh?
Strong.
Okay, good. Now we'll do that elbow muscle test. Ready? Go. And not so good. Okay, so we'll adjust that one.
This thing.
Good. All right, relax that elbow of yours. Breathe out.
It's a great technique.
Good. Okay.
People love it.
Pull the elbow out this way. Don't let me. Ready? Go.
Strong.
Much stronger. Cool.
So much
Rhomboid
better.
muscle test. I'm going to start doing that more
All right.
often.
Good. Yeah. You have a lot of tension there, don't you?
That's where it hurts.
I bet it does. Well, good thing you're here.
Welcome to Scott Hume's practice, where everybody wears spandex, synthetic fibers.
Yeah, I'm going to have to get a little bit more aggressive with that guy.
What's he going to do?
All right. Take a deep breath for me.
S to
Breathe
I,
on out.
thoracic adjustment.
Good. Bet that didn't feel very comfortable.
Look, he's got the microphone placement down
How
there
you
now.
doing?
I'm good.
Interlock your fingers, put your hands behind your head. Good. And then what I'm going to do is kind of reach on through here. All right, gotta move your hair a little bit. That's good there. All right, what I want you to do is bring your elbows together and put your chin down to your chest. Good.
Couple of different camera angles, that's pretty cool.
Sorry, I'm pulling on your hair. All right, and now look up. Good, keep those elbows together, hard.
How's she going to look up when he's wrestling her down like that?
Good. All right, how'd that feel?
Interesting.
Yeah,
I
interesting.
wonder if he's got a lot of experience
now
doing
put your
that,
hands
because
on
that kind
top
of
of your
seemed
head.
awkward. Ah, another ad?
B&H, how can I help you?
B&H is here. From our homes to yours. As your
Skip that.
Yeah, interlock is fine.
Now
We're
what?
gonna bring you back like this. Good. Uh-huh.
Master Chrissy Long does it better.
All right. Now you can go face down again.
Felt like you're giving me a hug.
Yeah. Yeah, that's better. So I'm feeling for any restriction or stiffness in the area. And
Ooh, we're
that's
only halfway
terribly
through it.
stiff, isn't it?
This guy is one of many
Deep
chiropractic
breath.
adjusters
Breathe
in the
that out.
chiropractic adjusting video.
Good.
There's a big sea of
All right.
people in there.
I'm gonna do a muscle
However,
test where I push down
as
like
an
that.
individual
Don't let me do that.
practitioner, business owner probably, or clinic owner, doing a video like this is a really good way to demonstrate your technique. And I think he does it well. I wonder if he spends this much time on every patient, because he's 23 minutes, man. That's a half-hour visit appointment. I don't think that's always necessary. She must have been there for 2 hours, because he keeps changing angles, changing placement. Does he have a camera on the ceiling facing down?
Pushing that way. Don't let me. Ready, go. Much stronger, huh? Cool.
He's really invested a lot into this. He's got a really nice zoom microphone.
Down into the table. Don't let me go.
He's got multiple camera angles. He's got lavalier microphones. The audio is really good.
Hold it right there. Pushing down. And that's not so strong, yeah?
He's being very thorough. I hope he charges well for his time.
Very good.
That was kind of bouncy. She's probably really flexible too, though.
Face down. Knee up.
Is that going to test strong?
Much stronger,
Good.
yeah? Cool.
Let me take a look at this technique again.
Raise the knee up. Hold it right there. Push it down. And that's not so strong, yeah? Turn on your side, this side up.
Watch him bounce right off of it. It's like she's all Gumby.
Okay, deep breath.
He's contacting really low too.
Ooh, very good.
That sounded good.
Okay. Face down.
She liked it.
Pushing down.
Let's go through here.
Much stronger, yeah? Cool.
Ooh, it's a lot of adjusting.
All right, muscle test.
Another side posture? It's not gonna pop again.
Lay on your back. Spin it out, don't let me go. Much better, huh? Cool. All right, I'm gonna do some muscle tests here with your foot. So first, I want it up and in like that. I'm gonna hold it up like that. I'm gonna push.
He's spending so much time with her, I bet it's time for another adjustment at the end of this.
Perfect. Now point and in, hold it right there like that. I'm gonna push from right there. Don't let me go. And that's weak, isn't it? Okay.
Tibialis posterior muscle test is weak.
So that's your.
He just adjusted the sacrum though, so what's he gonna do? Adjust L5 now?
Posterior muscle. Yeah. And your arch is very stiff. So I'll do a little manipulation right here.
Yeah, a little midfoot adjustment.
Ooh.
Good. So that was that joint right here. Oh man, then that's
Midfoot.
way better already. Point and in, hold it right there.
Retest the
Right,
muscle.
Way stronger, yeah?
Yeah.
Up and out, hold it from right there. I'm pushing right here, don't let me. Rock solid. Pointing and out, push from right there, don't let me go. And again, and that's, wait, let's do it one more time. Go. No, that's fine. Regarding the dorsiflexion, oh man, and it's already way better.
Yeah, I feel it.
That's cool.
That's crazy. Because that's one thing I notice if I try to like sink down into a squat, I feel like I'm very limited.
Yeah, she's gonna notice a big difference after this.
All right, so I'm gonna do one more adjustment here where I kind of yank.
Kinda
it.
mobilize
Can you
it.
hold onto the table so I don't slide you?
Yep.
Good. Very good. All right. So still limited, but much, much, much better. All right, we'll check out the other foot. Foot up and out. Hold it there like that. I'm pushing from right here. Don't let me. Rock solid. Pointing and out. Push from right there. Don't let me. Again. And that's weak, isn't it?
Peroneus longus.
Can you tell?
Yeah.
How's he gonna adjust the cuboid?
So I'm going to do a cuboid adjustment here. Good. Point and out. Hold it right there. Push from right here. Don't let me. Better, yeah?
Yeah, much better.
Up and in. Hold it right there. Push from right here. Don't let me. Rock solid. Pointing and in. Push from right there. Don't let me.
All right, that's pretty
And
cool.
Good.
I'm
So
gonna
I'm
do
actually
more
gonna go with
videos
that
from this
same
guy
joint.
because I think I have a lot to learn from him. But we're gonna cut it off right here because, ooh, that's a
Ended with
long
this there.
video.
No, not really.
Even the screenshot software on my computer has recorded 15 gigabytes of video so far. So we're gonna stop it right there. I'm Dr. Lloyd. This is Chiropractic Crack and Coffee, and we'll see you at the next one. If you like what you see and you want to learn more about my opinions on chiropractic videos, please like and subscribe. I'm going to try to do more of these. I think this is probably my 4th one I've done. I'm going to do many more. And I'm learning a lot. You can learn with me.